It's the same frustrating cycle. A strange noise, then another trip back to the service center. You're stuck. But what if a top attorney fought for you and the car company was legally required to pay their entire bill? This isn't a loophole. It's a powerful consumer protection law, and its reach is wider than you imagine. It covers more than new cars. In states like New York and New Jersey, there are specific lemon laws for used cars too. Next, we'll show you how this system functions, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and how to get help instantly. So, is your car officially a lemon? The law has clear tests. In New York, it's 30 days out of service. In New Jersey, it's even faster. Just 20 cumulative days in the shop legally presumes your vehicle is a lemon. Another test is repair attempts for the same defect. New Jersey law requires only 3 attempts, New York 4. And if you lease your car in NY, NJ, or PA, you have nearly identical rights to a full refund of your payments. Now let's get into why this costs you nothing. It's a mechanism called fee shifting, written into federal law. It was designed to level the playing field, knowing individuals can't fight giant manufacturers alone. The law makes the losing manufacturer pay all legal costs, so attorneys are motivated to take strong cases. This federal law also acts as a backstop, covering vehicles like motorcycles or RVs that state laws might miss. But these laws are complex, which is why referral services connect you only with vetted lemon law specialists. So the law is on your side and you need a specialist. How does technology make that connection faster than ever? Live phone transfers are more than convenient. They connect you with counsel at the moment of intent. This happens when you have fresh repair receipts in hand, before that critical evidence gets misplaced. But even with the right lawyer, one simple mistake can destroy your case. Stay tuned to find out what it is. The speed continues with virtual consultations. Attorneys can screen share to review your documents in real time. This simple step often cuts days or even weeks from the process of filing your case with the court. This is more relevant than ever. In 2024, lemon law filings have surged, driven by complex EV software issues. Specialists know the manufacturer's tactics, like offering a goodwill repair to avoid legal triggers. An expert attorney can reclassify that goodwill work as a formal warranty repair, counting toward your claim. A victory means more than a car refund. You can recover incidental costs like towing fees and rental car bills. You can even get back the interest you've paid on your auto loan, making you financially whole again. Remember that case-killing mistake we mentioned? It is self-diagnosing the problem to the mechanic. Never say, "I think it's the alternator." Just report the symptom. The car is stalling. Your guess could be used against you. If you guess wrong, the maker will argue they fixed 2 separate issues, not one persistent defect. Another major error is threatening the dealer before you have a lawyer. Shouting, "I'm going to sue," often backfires. It can cause them to alter repair records or refuse service, making your case significantly harder to prove. Many people give up, thinking they're out of time. State lemon law windows can be short, but that's not the end. The federal law's statute of limitations is typically 4 years from the date of the first failed repair attempt. Avoiding these traps is half the battle, but what does a successful case look like? Does it mean years in court? No. This is where a specialist pays off. Over 90% of cases settle through negotiation in just 3 to 6 months. You will most likely never have to appear in a courtroom. The process is handled for you. And that longer federal timeline we mentioned? A specialist uses that federal backstop for people who thought their state limit expired. This is why instant access is so effective. A live transfer prevents you from making those critical early mistakes. Getting expert advice immediately stops you from threatening the dealer or misreporting the vehicle's problem. So let's bring it all together. The law is powerful, but it requires expertise, mistake avoidance, and immediate action. And because of the fee-shifting provision, this whole process is completed at no financial risk to you. A win means your car is refunded, your extra expenses are covered, and the manufacturer pays your attorney. This is the solution that freelegalquote.com provides, a high-speed system to connect you with a vetted specialist. End the frustration. Don't let a defective car control your life. Get an instant, risk-free consultation right now.